Today we are giving some public school handles a new life. We are using our Enviro Creme. It's an eco-friendly formula developed with mild organic acids and very fine pumice particles. It safely removes tarnish and rust from oxidized metal without the use of harmful chemicals or scratching the surface. These handles are about 70 years old, so they can definitely use some restoring. I'm wearing our orange gloves in a bucket for this project. They are industrial grade gloves featuring a diamond raised, texturized surface perfect for gripping in wet, slippery, or greasy conditions. They are puncture resistant, powder free, and latex free. They protect your hands from pesticides, paint solvents, mineral spirits, harsh chemicals, and acids. Our orange gloves are designed for extra durability while retaining a high level of dexterity. Enviro Creme works so well, I only needed a basic kitchen sponge and toothbrush to remove 70 years worth of grime. Enviro Creme cleans and restores everything from tarnished pipes to car headlights. It's safe enough to use on ice machines and drinking fountains, but powerful enough to use on kickboards, tools, sheet metal, passivation from welding, and plumbing parts. Enviro Creme is an incredibly versatile and must-have product. Get these and other great industrial and institutional grade products at goecoline.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.